currently on the way to get a gonna go look at a Renegade 1000 for my girl. I've already seen like 4 or 5 bikes this week. None of them are good. Nobody really takes care of their machines, so hopefully this one is good. This guy said he took really good care of it. It's a 2017 Renegade 1000. It has like 250 hours, something like that, but it looks really clean. So hopefully it's in good condition. I'm gonna go now. It's actually in West Palm, so I'm driving there now. And yeah, so hopefully it plays out. It's completely stock. The only thing it has is a radiator relocated and the back rack. Well, other than that, everything else is stock. So hopefully it's a good buy. And yeah, we'll see what happens. And it'll be nice to have 2 bikes. And we'll see. Finally got home. The new toy. What happened?
What is that?
It's for sale. What is that? Little tires. Pretty nice, right? It says it's for you. Who says?
Even if it's not for me, I'm gonna use it.
It looks nice, right?
I look nice on it.
Well, his name's Barry.
I like it. Blueberry.
Exactly. Pretty clean, right? Okay. Gonna test it now. Turn her on. You know how to drive it? The color looks nice. Oh yeah, brother. Look at that dent. Oh my gosh, you're gonna mess it up already. Look at her go. Look at the abandoned Jeeps. Gotta do a bounty hole here. Right here. 10 grand bounty hole. Oh, I gotta fix that. The brakes work? Yep. So this is the bike. It's a 1000 2017 Renegade. Super clean. The guy actually maintained it. Just gotta get a new seat cover for it, like I did to mine recently. And yeah, it's pretty good. You like it, baby?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Or do I sell it?
No.
So yeah, it's a nice little bike. Now I have someone else to ride with. This thing is still a beast. Yeah. Look at her. Maybe that one will be big one day. Mine was like this when we bought it. So we will see. But for now, I think it's good. Should be good. That one's a little exaggerated.
It's gonna make this one look extra tiny.
Yeah. I'll take a picture now with it next to it. But it should fit. Alrighty. Time to rip. We are out here in the trail testing out the bikes. A little monkey here. It's okay. It's a nice day though. It's actually not that hot anymore.
No, it's better now.
Okay, baby. We turn on the lights, I think, by accident. Baby! You turned on your lights. Yeah. No, I didn't. I said the lighting is nice. I said the lighting is nice. Oh. Oh, too much lighting. Oh yeah, brother. Outing dirty. Okay, so we're out here in the trails. These trails are not that hard. It's just all sand and water. How are you liking the bike, baby?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
It needs bigger tires?
It's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Look at the size difference. That's good. It looks nice too. Looks near, way nearer than mine. So you like it, baby? Gets deep right here. See how deep it is. She's doing it. She's doing it. I know she got wet. How was it? Did the seat get wet? Yeah, it was pretty. I think that, well, there's another hole that's over there, but we're gonna miss it because that one's even deep for me.
So I was safe.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
That's good. That's where you went with the Jeep. There you go. So today's the next day. Yesterday we rode all night actually. We came back with a couple of friends and rode out here. But yeah, we cleaned them out a little bit last night. And she did good. Good bike, good driver. She knows how to drive it pretty well. And yeah, there's my beast. There's Barry. And yeah, so good ride. See you next time.